In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a conversation in Meta Business Suite. If you're trying to keep your inbox organized and remove old or unnecessary message threads, Meta Business Suite gives you a quick way to do that. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can delete a conversation easily and confidently. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to your inbox. This is the main area where your messages, comments, and other communication threads are managed. If you handle customer messages across Facebook or Instagram, this is usually the central place where those conversations appear. Once you're in the inbox, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct account and message view so you can find the conversation you want to remove. Next, select the conversation you want to delete. In the conversation list, click on the message thread you'd like to remove. This will open the full conversation so you can confirm that you've chosen the right one. It's always a good idea to double check before deleting, especially if you manage multiple customer chats or shared business accounts. Deleting the wrong thread can make it harder to locate important message history later, so just pause for a second and verify that it's the correct conversation. Once the conversation is selected, look for the trash icon. When you find it, click it to delete the conversation. This is the action that removes the thread from your inbox. Depending on your version of Meta Business Suite, you may see the icon in the conversation panel or near the top of the message area. If needed, hover your cursor over the icons until the delete option becomes clear. And that's it. Those are the steps to delete a conversation in Meta Business Suite. You open the inbox, choose the conversation you want to remove, and then click the trash icon to delete it. As a quick tip, before deleting conversations, make sure you no longer need the information inside that thread. If the conversation contains customer details, order references, or support history, you may want to review it first. Keeping your inbox clean is helpful, but it's also important not to remove anything you might need later. With that done, your inbox should be a little more organized and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you delete a conversation in Meta Business Suite quickly and smoothly.